Okay, friends. So today we are going to discuss on the performance of the stock that were recommended till 30th of November 2020. Today is 28th, but I consider 30 because 27th was the last trading day of this month. Yeah. Okay. Now the stock performance history is being shown on the stocks which I've recommended so far, and this is with reference to the Indian share market, the Indian stock market, and this video has been titled as Robinhood stock returns. Yeah. Robin Hood is known as an archer, and I kept this photo because I felt it is interesting. Because Robin Hood archer targets were never missed, so it is named as Robin Hood performance. If you see the performance of the scripts which you have recommended and performance performed so far, it is better than Robin Hood. I prefer, I would say. So now, if you see the earlier this month, okay, we had booked some profits on the Diwali day. Okay, so this super mind-boggling performance consecutive since last 3 months consistently. Some stocks have been giving returns up to or nearly 50% in first 15 days to 30 days after recommendation. That's a mind blowing as well as mind-boggling performance. If you see, the important note I would like to share here is hold the stocks for long term. Okay, markets can correct anytime now. It is already run up so fast. Okay, we don't know when it is going to correct, but here we are going to stay for long term. So I don't recommend booking profits. We have already recommended earlier, and you never know whether it corrects after 100 points or 200 points or even tomorrow itself. Okay, that is on Monday itself, so we are not sure. Okay, but if you hold stocks for long term, it is going to be beneficial. So hold stocks for the long term. We book profit in some stocks on Diwali day, but even those stocks have outperformed later on. If you see, I'll show you the example of it. That is the reason we are still holding 10%. Okay, so that outperformance, we can catch that outperformance, and 10% is not a big amount, yeah, for the long term. Now if you see, this was the profit booking which we did. This is here. So we did a profit booking of 100%. 100% was one day trade, so not that. 45%, 36%, 31%, 31%, 23, 17, and minus 21. And the same thing here, it is shown as this is the percentage. Now how it has outperformed is 45 remains 45 here on 30th this November. Okay, this just one day before we have taken this data. Okay, and if you see, 36% have become 42, 31% have become 39, 31% has become 23. This is less. So in this case, we were lucky, Kilpist, but it's going to bound to rise. Yeah, let's see how the commentary comes out. Yeah, so 23 becomes 31. Okay, 17 becomes 23, 7 becomes 25 in case of Metropolis. Okay, 6 becomes 10, 5 becomes 11, 3 becomes 16, minus 1 becomes plus 9%. Yeah, that's a phenomenal rise. Okay, minus 21 becomes minus 16. So this is the performance of the stocks which we have booked on the Diwali day. Yeah. Now this is the what you call pictorial graph of the representation of the returns. Yeah, the same returns which I showed you here. That is around 45%, 42%. These are the changes which has happened recently. And this is the exact performance new stocks which I've recommended. And if you see here, the returns are mind-blowing returns. You see, nobody will give you 50% in 1 month. Nobody will give you 41% in 2 months. Nobody gives you 38% in 2 months. Yeah, 28% in 2 months, 28% in 2 months. So these kind of returns are not easily possible. That also on the frontline stocks, yeah, which we have recommended so far. Okay, the markets have done well, but some stocks have not performed well, but most of the recommendations have gone super, very nice. Yeah, 50%, 41%, 38%, 28%, 28%, 24. These kind of returns you cannot expect anytime. It's like the experience which comes into picture here. So okay, so the lowest return on here is 12%. That too in 12 months. In 15 days, that is 20%. So phenomenal, phenomenal performance. If you see HDFC Life, TVS Motor, 12%, 10%, 9%, 8%. The growth has been super. Performance details November 2020 has been mind blowing. Profits have been amazing, amazing profits for sure. On negative side, negative return I would like to share. See, returns have drastically reduced on the negative side, which is a very positive sign. Reliance is the only surprise which has clocked in minus 13%. Nobody will book Reliance at this price. Yeah, it's very good. You can buy even more if you are planning to invest for 3 to 5 years timeline. Yeah, there's minus 11%, minus 11, minus 8. So only three stocks are in minus, more than minus 10%. The rest, everything is amazing. Profits are amazing. Look at this: 50%, 41%, 38%, 28%, 28%, 24%. You won't get this kind of returns anywhere. Believe me, my friends. And this is the details of the stocks including those which we book profit. So here we are holding only 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. The rest are very good. Yeah, 50%, 45%, 42, 42, 41, 31. So these kind of performance, more than 50% returns, you won't find it anywhere, that's for sure. Yeah, you can do your due diligence and let me know. This is hanging. So 14%, yeah. And the same thing, only the 10% which we have sold, we are holding only 10%. The rest returns are in front of you. Nothing is hidden. Every every recommendation of mine is on the YouTube. I don't come up and just I'm taking this as granted that I've been giving such returns. No, everything is in front of you. Transparency has been 100%. Yeah, you can check my old videos when I recommended the current price. We have not booked so far. The stocks which we booked, we already shown. So nothing is hidden. Yeah, very transparent. On the negative side, if you see, minus 16% we have sold that, so we are holding only 10%. Okay, the rest is Reliance Industries minus 10%, 5 Paisa Capital minus 11, and Kaplan Point is minus 11. Only Kaplan Point, I don't know why it's going down. Even 5 Paisa, I'm 100% sure it is going to bounce back. And this 100% profit was on one day trade, that is on the options. Yeah, so there has been 100%, 50%, all kind of profits, amazing profits since the day I started putting video. So this is the pictorial graph on the percentage of profits. 100% was an option trade, 50%, 45%, 45%, 45%, 45%, around 40%. So look at the positive bars. They are too much. Negatives are there. I'm not saying it's not there. That's less. So this is the conclusion, you can say. 10 stocks with returns greater than 25%, which is amazing. Maximum profit range from 50% to 100%. That is also amazing. 41 stocks with returns from 0 to 10%. 41 stocks. That also very good. Maximum return is 24%. Phenomenal. Yeah. Because here we have shared 25%, 10 stocks more than 25%. In fact, 50 to 100% returns. And 4 stocks with negative returns of 10%. We considered 4 because including that which we book profit. Okay, so maximum negative returns are 13%, minus 13%, and in minus 16% we have booked the profits. So only 10% we are holding, just in case it bounces back, because it's a long-term story. So phenomenal growth, phenomenal story, phenomenal profits, phenomenal recommendations, mind-blowing, incredible, you name it. This is my recommendation. Large cap stocks can be bought on dips. No stock allocation should be more than 5% of your overall portfolio. Don't forget this, my friends. Investors should never forget this. Should never invest more than 5% in any stock. Small cap stocks are risky but can be bought on dips with appropriate stop losses. Don't buy at one go. This is the most important part. Don't buy at one go. Instead, buy on every dips of 10% wherever market corrects sharply. Whenever market rises, reduce your portfolio size. Whenever market goes down heavily, sharply, you try to buy more good quality stocks for a longer term time frame. Okay, so this was the performance details of November 2020. Profits are really amazing. This is a disclaimer I put after every video. This is purely for education purpose, not a stock recommendation. I do own few stocks. This is my personal view, and everyone should take decision on any stock I talk about by doing their own individual research. I'm merely sharing my opinion with no guarantees of gains or losses on any investment. Past performance cannot be guaranteed, and vice versa. We'll try to improve the past performance, but it cannot be guaranteed. Yeah, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor or an analyst. Okay, friends. This was the performance which I wanted to share, and I normally do share every month. This month we were very lucky. In fact, 50% returns are mind blowing returns. Okay, friends, hope you like this video. Thank you.